Hey you guys, we're doing constraints here and we're trying to find solutions to the sets of numbers that we're looking for. For this one, we're looking for solving for x. So when we're looking for constraints, we're looking for things that are limitations that will make sure that we are able to solve the problem. And when we have a denominator that's equal to 0, we can't have that because we can't divide by 0. So we need to start looking at each of the fractions where that x is in the denominator and think about numbers that can't possibly be part of that. So in the first part, we have the fraction 1 over x. So if we set x not equal to 0, that's a pretty easy one because there's nothing to really do there. X cannot equal 0. So for that part, we can have that as an answer. Then we're going to go over here to this part, and we're going to do that one. X minus 2 cannot equal 0. And so if we solve that, add 2 to both sides, that means that x cannot be a 2 either. So we have two constraints on this problem. We can't have it be 0. The other one is that we can't have x be a 2 because neither of those things will make that work. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do cross multiplying to solve for x. So we're going to do 1 times the x minus 2, which really doesn't make much of sense because we already know what it's going to be. It's going to be x minus 2 here. We'll do this right here, 3 times x, or 3x. And then we're going to go ahead and solve to get what x actually should be. So I'm going to move the x over here to this side, and then we bring this negative 2 down, set it equal to 2x, and then we're going to divide both sides by 2. Those are going to cancel, leaving me with x equaling negative 1. So because we have two constraints that can't work, our answer is a number that can work because it's not one of these constraints. We are all set, and this is our answer. X is equal to negative 1 with constraints of 0 and a positive 2. If you like more questions like this, you can find them on my YouTube channel. You want algebra? Check them out under the constraints section.